So today we are going to Matanga Hill for morning trek. The point is famous for sunrise sunset. So this is 6 a.m. and gang ready. So let's see, do we see the sunrise or not. So we come to Matanga Hill base, moving towards Matanga Hill for sunrise. As per Amar, it's at what time? 6:29. So let's see, it's now 6:08. This is the way to the Matanga Parvat. Climbing some steps to reach at the top of the mountain. Finally we reached to the top point. This is beautiful empty KSTDC hotel. 2 days we stay here. This is 10 a.m. and we again come to same road which we came in the morning. There is an Achyutanan temple, from which there is an Vithala temple road near about 2 kilometers. That one is a Virupaksha temple.
Entry of Achyutarai temple.
This pillar and there is a supported beam is the common pattern in every temple in the UP. We came from Achyutarai temple by walking. We are moving towards the Vittal temple, and Vittal temple is just 1 kilometer ahead. This is another route you can go by car. It's for a king palace.
Now we are seeing market of Vijayanagar near the Vitthal temple. This is near about half kilometer long. Market of gold and diamonds. Very tired Premanand, frustrated with the payment of tickets.
It's 4:30 today and we came for the Coracle ride. Coracle is a local boat, especially to travel between the small distance of the river. So we booked the Coracle ride. कहाँ पे भैया?
Perfect timing. पिटले पैसे पिटले.
This is Krishna temple. So near to the Narsimha there is a Shiva temple. So it's a 6:30. We came to Hampi's main attraction, Vitthal temple. This is our second time. This is very beautiful sunrise here. This is a Vijayanagar temple. That one is Kirtan Sabhagriha. This one is musical Sabhagriha. This one is marriage function temple for Vitthal and Rukmini. That left one is exit gate. That one is General Assembly Sabhagriha. So we are going to Octagonal Bath, Queen's Bath Palace, Lotus Temple, Hadare Rama Temple. This is Vijayanagar Samrajya's capital, and before that it called as a Vidyanagari. Krishna Aditya wins all the battles and put the city's name Vijayanagari, but now it's ruled by the Bahmani Sultan.
Here is a beautiful Queen's Bath.
Yes, and you need to take only one ticket which covers museum plus this Lotus Temple plus Vitthal temples. This one is a Lotus Temple. Small place and you can visit within the 5 minutes.
It is a basement of Queen's Palace. Now we are at beautiful place.
Elephant stable, and it is used for हाथियों की ठहरने की जगह.
Now we are at Pushkarni of Vijayanagar Samraj.
So we are on the return journey towards Pune. It's a 12 hours journey.